Mass shooting in Clarendon, 8 confirmed dead, 7 injured. Farmer shot dead in Manchester. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 8 people are confirmed dead and 7 injured when gunmen invaded a bingo party in Fort Part, Clarendon on Sunday night. Our news media understands that 3 women, 4 men, and a child are among the deceased. Preliminary reports suggest that around 9:40 p.m., a white Toyota Axiom motor vehicle drove up in Cherry Tree Lane, 4 paths, and men armed with rifle alighted from the vehicle and opened gunfire at the patrons. 5 persons died on the spot, and the others were rushed to hospital where some succumbed to their injuries. There is currently a strong police military presence in the community. More details to come as the story develops. A 34-year-old farmer was shot dead in the community of Three Chains in Manchester on Saturday. Dead is Fabian Dixon, otherwise called Preemie, who is from the same community. Explosions were reportedly heard at about 3:50 p.m. and the police alerted. The police found Dixon face down in a pool of blood. The Williamsfield Criminal Investigation Branch is investigating.